Hold! I know you're gonna click away, but please, give me some chance. Let me explain to you what this video is actually all about. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna be doing 100 video challenge. And I'm gonna explain to you why. You know, over the past few months, I've been doing my best uploading as many videos as I can. From making toy reviews, to vlogging, to making DIY, and also anime review. With all this, I know you guys were asking a bunch of questions. I know you guys were asking a bunch of questions inside your head. Na, bro, ano ba talaga yung content na gusto mong gawin? Before, you make a lot of vlogs. And now you're making toy reviews. Ano ba talaga yung gagawin mong content sa channel mo? So in my case, yung channel ko hindi pa gaanong malaki. So in the eyes of YouTube, yung channel ko, since hindi pa siya gaanong malaki, hindi niya kailangan i-promote yung channel ko sa mga maraming audience. Kaya my videos are only showed to small viewers. Kaya yung plan ko, yung strategy ko, na I'm gonna be uploading 100 videos on my channel. And then tignan natin, on my 101 video, after observing kung ano ba talaga yung videos ko na in-upload, yung mga contents na maraming views. And then I'm gonna make a lot of content about it. But as for now, I'm gonna keep experimenting. I'm gonna try different kinds of content na magagawa ko until we reach 100 videos. So to those people that watch my channel, thank you so much. Even though konti lang yung mga viewers na nanonood ng channel ko, you guys really mean so much to me. I really love making these videos. And hopefully in the near future na yung channel ko umabot ng 1 million subscribers and dumami yung view count because that is our main goal and also to get monetized. Pero sa ngayon, I'm gonna be taking baby steps. I'm gonna upload 100 videos. And then after that, let's see. So once again, thank you guys for watching this. And I would appreciate if you would also watch my other videos if you have time. So as for now, dito na lang kasi kailangan ko na matulog kasi 2:00 na. Gigising pa ako na maaga bukas. Kaya see you later, guys.